Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. We have a complete kit for the skinny 33-inch by 4-inch, all stainless, high pressured, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. It's got the coils inside, the 3/8 stainless. It's beautifully built. We use it for, some people use them for post and preheaters, and others use them as primaries, primary heaters for, say, the 1200 White Magic or the 4.7 or 4.8 HydroMaster PTOs, or just single slide-in units. And everything is here. You got your gaskets and the nuts that hold the flange on your engine. This is a universal header that you've seen in other videos on my truck mount store. And you can see you can adjust it in accordance to the actual width of the camshaft, so one is shorter than the other and it's properly sized. So what you have here is an intermediate so that you can adjust it for the center to center of the two exhaust ports and change the angle, of course. Honda and Vanguard is up and down for the Vanguards, and for the it's on an angle, of course. It's about a 45 for the Kohler. You get 6 of the pipe clamps at 2 inches. You got a step up here. So what I've done is I've gone from 1 inch using my machining skills, 1 inch up to, and we TIG welded it up so where we have 2 opposite flanges that fit a 1 7/8. So we actually went to a 1.5 on this side, and 1.5 on this side, and it fits perfectly. And that way you have more variables to work with that you can actually get this header to work for 3 different types of engines. So we have the gaskets here. We have the nuts that hold on the flange on your threaded piece. It just so happens that the threaded flange, the actual bolts on each of the 3 engines all match up to the same size with the same size nut. And 2-inch clamps, there's 6 of them. That's going to be used for your connection. Your 1 7/8 flex hose, all stainless. So everything is here, and it's very well built. It's a complete kit. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com. You'll see it in there. And it's just very well built units. We are top in the industry for our heat exchangers. You'll notice us on Google, on the first page of Google, and we're there for a reason. We've been doing this for 18 years. I've been 44 years in the industry. Check us out. We also do the ProChem aftermarket heat exchangers. We'll do for Steamways, HydroMaster. We're soon to have a video for the Diamond products for the HydroMaster for a heat exchanger. So we're going to be building a heat exchanger for one of the GTXs in the near future, about a week from now, and that will be completed, and I'm going to have a video on that as well to show the measurements of the opening and how it can actually adapt and get rid of that crappy tube and fin that's a high fill heat exchanger and replace it with high quality access point heat exchanger with 80 feet of high pressure tubing. And that's 8 inches by 18 inches, and then we have the fittings on. It will fit in there perfectly. On the next video, I'll do a presentation of that, of that as well, to show you how good that's going to look and how well it will function in your unit. So we are the answer to, where HydroMaster can't get their, parts. We're a factory outlet here in Lecanto, Florida. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com. And we'll help you out in any way we can to get your truck mount up and running and make the money. All right? Call us today at 727-505-2989. Look us up on truckmountstore.com, or take a journey into the truck mount store, or the actual truck mount carpet cleaning machines.com 2005 website. It's got a lot of supportive video and testimonies. Call us at 727-505-2989. Thank you.